In today's video, we're going to be trying this TikTok trend where you flip phones. But we're going to be trying this TikTok trend where you flip phones, and let's see how much money we can make. Now, we got the TikTok video, and let's watch it. Alright, so this dude is pretty confident. He's claiming that he can make up to $2K a month with flipping phones. Now that is a lot of money. $2K a month is pretty good for saying how much work you're going to be doing, which is bare minimum. So let's see if we could do it, and let's get into it. Alright guys, and we got the phone. It's an iPhone 8. Has a little bit of a crack. But for $200. Now I think I could resell this for about $220 or $250. I'm going to list it as like $250, I think. And then I'm going to see if anyone tries to, go lower. And I feel like the lowest I'll go is $220. And we just bought it for $200. So I'm basically making a $50 profit. So now it's time to list it up. And I'm going to set up like a little picture thing. And let's list it. So I'm just going to put up white paper on there. And I'm going to get my phone. I'm going to get the phone. And I'm going to try to not make the crack look as bad. Now, they'll see it in person, but they're already in person, so they'll most likely buy it. And we'll just go like this. Flip it on this side. Oh, maybe it just looks weird on camera. And there you go. Took the photos. Now I'm going to list it, and I'm going to show you guys a picture right here. That's what the listing looks like. Alright guys, so it is 2 days later and we still have the phone, and I've had it wrapped in my shirt for quite a while, but we're finally going to be selling it. I'm going to be selling it for $240 and we bought it for $200. So, that's a good profit, okay? So I'm gonna go out right now and I'll show you guys that. Alright guys, so I just sold it and they Venmo'd me $240, and they did say the phone, like the crack, they didn't know it was going to be that big. It was not that big, so I think they're trying to make me lower the price, but we stuck with $240 luckily. They did try to say $230 and I was like, nah, because I knew they weren't just going to drive here and then say they don't want it anymore. So that's why I stuck with $240 and that went in my favor. Alright guys, so it is at least like 1 day. Yesterday I sold the phone, but I just found another phone. It is a red iPhone 11. But I'm about to buy it, and guess how much I'm buying it for? $200. Now, I don't know if that's because the iPhone 10 was $1,000 originally. Exciting moment of my life with all of you guys. But now I'm going to buy it for $200 for the iPhone 11. And I think I could honestly sell it for $100, which is really good. Woo! So I didn't record it again, but you guys see how I buy it. I just kind of tell them to pull up, or I meet them halfway at like Chick-fil-A or outlets. But all of them said that they could just come to my house and buy it. So that is pretty lucky for me. Now most people will do that if you ask, and they might charge you like $5 or $10 because gas prices are high. So that makes sense. But we have the phone here. There's a little bit of a scratch on the lens, which is a little bit of a problem. But besides that, it does look like great condition. The front is great condition as well, which is really lucky for $200. But I'm gonna let you guys know if I sell this phone in the next couple of days.
48 hours later.
Alright guys, so it is a couple of days later, and now we have finally found a buyer or seller or whatever you wanna call it to buy the phone. And they're actually gonna be buying it for $250, even though I bought it for $200. Now I thought I could sell it for more, but I was trying to get this challenge done with quick. Now I gave myself 1 week to do this TikTok trend challenge. I've sold the iPhone 10, now I'm selling the iPhone 11, and that comes to a sum total of around $70 because I made $50 profit on the iPhone 11 and I made $20 profit on the iPhone 10. I forgot to add also, when you guys buy a phone, you want to make sure it's not stolen, especially if you bought it for cheap. Alright, so we're back, we just sold it. Alright guys, so that is the end of the challenge, end of the flipping TikTok phone flipping challenge. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. We made a sum total of 70 kabloons, $70. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And if you want to see similar videos, press on these two and also subscribe.